What's up, everybody? Welcome back to Shoot Where I Live. My name is Joe. Today we are going to put this into this and see how it works. I debated for a long time on even purchasing one of these to see if it was worth it or not because they're not necessarily cheap. I went ahead and did it. I'm going to do an honest review on it. Here's the thing. I bought it. Pedal Commander did not send it to me. This is not a sponsored video. However, a couple days before this got here, I did get an email from Pedal Commander offering to put me in their affiliate program because I have the YouTube channel. I did accept, but I'm not going to use the affiliate link if this is garbage. If this is garbage, I'm going to tell you it's garbage and recommend that you don't buy it. If I like it and I recommend it, I'll put the affiliate link in the description below, and I would really appreciate if you do decide to pick one of these up that you use that affiliate link, because then it doesn't cost you anything extra, but a little bit of your purchase comes back to the channel and it helps me do content in the future. I want to talk about a couple of things about this before we actually go put it in the car that are important, so don't skip this part. First of all, don't change settings while you're driving. Pull over, stop, change the settings, then go. In a lot of the research that I've done, it seems like sometimes that can cause issues. Another thing is, especially with the Bluetooth app, same thing, stop, change your settings, and then go. I'm probably not even going to mess with the Bluetooth app in this video because it has buttons and I can push buttons. It's not going to be in the back of the car where I can't reach the buttons, okay? If there's a big outcry in the comments about testing out the Bluetooth, then I'll probably do that in a later video. So tell me in the comments whether or not you really need to see the Bluetooth tested. Also remember, just to be clear, this does not add any power to your car. What this does is it reduces the lag from when you push your accelerator to when you have access to your power. You're supposed to get more speed off the line when you accelerate, but it's just giving you access to your current power faster. Let's get it in the car and get this thing reviewed, and I hope so much that it's good and it actually works. Let's do it. I just shot my chain. So I'm just going to try and keep this as quick and simple as possible. I'm not going to do a whole unboxing. Here's a picture. Everything in the package, some alcohol wipes, some Velcro for mounting, and then the unit itself, and the instructions. About the instructions. When it comes to vehicles that have the key fob on them, like the 300S does, you open the door, you take the key fob at least 35 feet away from the vehicle, leave the door open for about 15 minutes, and that does kind of a soft reset on the ECU, and then you do the installation. That's what I'm waiting on right now, is just the 15-minute rundown. So I was going to actually try and record doing the install, but it's so cramped in here, that's just not going to happen. So this is my gas pedal here, and this is the plug right here. You just unplug that from the accelerator, then one end of the Pedal Commander goes into the accelerator, the other end of the Pedal Commander goes into that side. Make sure they fully click together. If they're not secured together, you can get errors. We don't want errors. Plugged it in, got it all buttoned back up. You'd never even know that we were in there. Time to turn it on and see if this thing is actually worth a crap. Couple things to note real quick. I did not mount it. I'm not going to mount it because, like I said, if the thing is garbage, I'm taking it out. I'm not going to leave it in here. We'll see. But first things first, are we going to start with no errors? Looks good. I'm gonna go elsewhere so I don't piss my neighbors off. I've been trying to figure out the best way to translate this onto camera or through the microphone, And I just don't think that there's really a good way. I tried to set up a GoPro down by my foot so you could kind of see when I press the accelerator, opposed to when you would hear or not really feel the RPMs, but I couldn't get a good angle on it. So basically, this is just going to be handheld camera reaction, and I hope it comes through. The commander's set right now at City +4. I'll do it in City +4, then Sport +4, and then we'll probably try Sport +4. Just remember that Sport Plus, I believe, is really for track use. It's not, I mean, it's pretty much going to be like you're tapping the gas pedal and you're like this over and over again. Not really for city use. So we'll go ahead and start here in City 4, and then we'll pull over and I'll show you me switching it to Sport 4, and we'll go from there. Okay? So we are ready to roll. I have not driven it yet with this, and I have a smile on my face because I'm excited if this works how it's supposed to work. Let's see what happens. Oh, okay. I'm in a parking lot. I'm barely tapping the gas right now. Holy crap. This is City +4. And there's already 100% absolutely a difference. Okay, hold on. And this is in normal drive. We are not in sport mode on the car. That's something else that we'll try too. Okay, here we go. Okay. That's 100% a difference. Not 100% different, 100% a difference. So if I lay on the gas, it definitely kicks it into overdrive faster. If I go slow on the accelerator, okay. Okay. It's definitely making a difference. Let's see here. I'm not sold on it yet. Let me get to a place where I can pull over here. So, as you can see, we're still in City 4. We're going to go Sport, traction control off, Sport mode, so you can see, wait for traffic to go by to make a safe merge. Okay. So yes, there's a difference in regular drive. Yes, there's more of a difference in sport mode. For sure. So that was just a tap on the accelerator. Yeah, it wants to downshift. If I'm real light with the accelerator, then it'll accelerate faster. If I put it on it, it just wants a downshift, kicked it into a lower gear and go. Which, yeah, that's kind of the point. So, yes, definite difference in throttle response. We're still in City 4. We're still in City 4, mind you, okay? There's going to be little editing spots that you're going to see in this, and that's not because I'm like trying to fudge anything. It's because I'm sitting in frickin' traffic, so I'm not going to bore you guys with sitting in traffic. Like right now there's frickin' construction. We're going to turn Sport mode off. We're going to go back into regular drive. And now we're going to switch to Sport plus 4. Sport plus 4, regular drive. Holy balls. Okay. This absolutely will take getting used to if you're going to be doing this, because I'm seriously barely breathing on the gas pedal whatsoever. And now somebody's crossing the road with their dog. Hold on. Jeez. So far, I like it. It 100% makes a difference. And I'm not getting any check engine lights or errors or anything like that. Okay, I'm going to get a green light here in a second, and I'm going to go. That guy just pulled out in front of me. Look, there's another 300. Did you see it? And then it was gone. I love the 300. Such a pretty car. There's just so much traffic today. This is really getting kind of out of hand. Okay. I'm not going to say that the leg is entirely eliminated. I think just because of the computer system and the fact that it's a combustion engine, there's going to be some kind of lag. But I mean, it definitely makes a difference. Okay, let's see here. Holy shit. That just busted the rear end loose in regular drive with traction control on. So, again, we're still in just Sport plus 4. That's hard to see. Sport plus 4. There we go. And we're going to go Sport, Sport, traction control off. Let's see how this does. Here we go. Ready? Okay. Holy crap. Okay. I'm running out of battery. Okay, here's the deal. My battery's gonna die. I don't have an extra battery on me. And I haven't even got to Sport Plus yet. I recommend this product. It's really fun. It does what it says it's gonna do. If you want to see more about it in Sport Plus 4, go in the comments and tell me. And please, if you do choose to purchase this, use the affiliate link in the description because there's going to be one. I absolutely recommend it. It does what it says it's going to do. It gets you that power a lot faster. It reduces a lot of the leg. It's not 100% gone. I don't think it ever could be 100% gone. Thank you so much for watching. I'm Joe with Shoot Where I Live, and I'm out.